Hello, I'm Matt Anderson, the 3D Solutions Product Manager here at Roland DGA. And today, I'd like to introduce you to the Roland MDX-50. The MDX-50 brings with it over 30 years of Roland motion control development and is capable of producing precision 3D models and prototypes from materials like wood, a wide variety of plastics and resin, tooling board, milling wax, and even circuit boards. All of these materials with superior finish and surface quality right from your benchtop. The MDX-50 has a table capacity of 15 inches by 12 inches and will accept materials nearly 4 inches thick. The optional rotary axis can hold a workpiece nearly 15 inches long with a radius of over 2 inches. The new MDX-50 comes standard with a 6-position automatic tool changer that prevents an operator from having to perform time-consuming tool changes. This is a mechanical tool changer which eliminates the need for compressed air. The 15,000 RPM user-replaceable spindle reduces downtime and can drive tools with a 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch shank. To keep your benchtop free from dust and debris, each MDX-50 also comes standard with an integrated safety enclosure and chip collection drawer. With its onboard control panel, easy-to-read display, and color-coded status lights, the MDX-50 is a breeze to set up and operate. The V-Panel Virtual Control utility offers a host of setup, calibration, and tool life management features. Because 3D models can take hours to produce, V-Panel will even send email alerts to update you on the status of the mill. You don't have to have extensive experience to use an MDX-50, because each mill comes bundled with SRP Player, Roland's intuitive CAM software. More advanced users will be happy to know that the MDX-50 is fully G-code compatible. As you can see, the new MDX-50 is perfect for educators introducing students to CNC machining, engineers in need of accurate prototypes, or even entrepreneurs producing short-run precision parts. For more information about the MDX-50 or to find a Roland authorized dealer near you, please visit RolandDGA.com.